Mr. K. Rajesh Alva is a 35-year-old, versatile genius, enthusiastic visionary and energetic young man who is leading the G Group. Mr. Alva, an ever-smiling, quite handsome and pleasing person, filled with innumerable ideas and innovations, is the light and energy of G Group. His visions and ideas are now the livelihood to thousands of people, irrespective of land, religion, language and politics. Mr. Rajesh Alva, the founder and chairman of G Group, was born at Badiadka in an agricultural family on 23rd December 1974. He educated at Navajivan Higher Secondary School at Badiadka and Govinda Pai Memorial Government College at Manjeshwaram. His career started as a working journalist and finally turned into an entrepreneur. He's a good writer and orator. Tulu is his mother tongue and also speaks Malayalam, Kannada, English and Hindi. He's also a good actor in yakshaganas and dramas. Mr. Rajesh Alva is actively involved in social and cultural activities. Government of Kerala had nominated him to the Administrative Committee of Kerala Tulu Academy at Manjeshwaram. Mr. Rajesh Alva is a chairman and managing director of Noble India Gramina Supermarkets Limited, the chairman of Kasaragod, Kannur, Thrissur and South Canara Gramina Supermarket Companies, Tulunadu Resorts and Amusement Parks Limited, Gramina Educational and Charitable Trust, is a good motivator and management trainer. Mr. Rajesh Alva was honoured by many organisations, including international institutions, and was submitted the nomination for conferring honorary doctorate to him from Thailand University. He got Rashtriya Ratan Award of Indian Organisation for Business Research and Development, International Gold Star Award of Economic Growth, Society of India, International Quality Excellence Award of International Business Productivity Forum, and many other honours and recognitions.